What a cute little etude. Of course, you can try it faster, slower, whatever. I think anything goes as long as you can do it well, in high quality, and without falling apart. Remember, the pinky on the right arm is very, very important, critical to get this right bowing here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website. The link is below. This is where you can learn more about me and the lessons I teach online. If you think online lesson format would work well for you, let's get connected. Drop me a line. I read all the comments I get and I try to reply to most of them. Thank you for watching.